In today's video, I'll teach you how to hide Gemini in messages. So if you want to hide Gemini in messages, what you have to do is first of all launch open Google Messages application. You can see over here Google Messages application has been opened. Tap on the profile picture icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. If you want to hide the Gemini in messages, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Find this option for messages settings and tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the messages settings. You'll be able to find various settings options over here. Find this option for Gemini in messages and tap on it. Now you can see over here in this interface, you'll be able to find this option for show Gemini button. If this is toggled on, you'll be able to easily chat with Gemini in messages. In order to hide it, simply toggle off this button. Now the Gemini in messages will be hidden. So that is how you hide Gemini in messages. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.